Pork is one of the oldest and most widely consumed meats in human history. From ancient civilizations to modern global cuisine, pork has played a major role in shaping food culture, agriculture, and dietary habits. Despite its popularity, pork is often surrounded by confusion, myths, and strong opinions. To truly understand pork, it is important to look beyond surface-level assumptions and explore its taste, nutritional profile, health impact, cultural significance, and versatility. Pork is the meat that comes from pigs, animals that have been domesticated for thousands of years. Pigs are highly adaptable, intelligent animals that grow efficiently and provide a wide range of usable cuts. This efficiency is one of the main reasons pork became so common across different regions of the world. Historically, pigs were valued because almost every part of the animal could be used, reducing waste and providing nourishment to entire communities. When people ask what pork tastes like, the answer depends heavily on the cut and how it is prepared. Pork is generally mild in flavor, sitting somewhere between chicken and beef. It does not have the strong intensity of beef, nor the neutral softness of chicken. Instead, pork offers a balanced, slightly sweet, and savory taste that absorbs spices, marinades, and cooking techniques extremely well. This adaptability makes pork one of the most versatile meats in the kitchen. Texture is another defining characteristic of pork. Some cuts, like pork tenderloin, are very lean and soft when cooked properly. Others, such as pork shoulder or pork belly, contain more fat and connective tissue, making them ideal for slow cooking. This range allows pork to be used in everything from quick pan-fried meals to long, slow braises that develop deep, rich flavors. From a nutritional perspective, pork is a high-quality source of protein. It provides all essential amino acids needed for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Pork is also rich in B vitamins, especially thiamine, which plays a critical role in energy metabolism and nervous system health. In fact, pork is one of the richest natural sources of thiamine among commonly consumed meats. Pork also contains important minerals such as iron, zinc, phosphorus, and selenium. Iron supports oxygen transport in the blood, zinc contributes to immune function and hormone regulation, phosphorus supports bone health, and selenium acts as an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. These nutrients make pork a valuable component of a balanced diet when consumed in appropriate portions. Health considerations around pork often depend on the cut and processing method. Lean cuts like pork loin and tenderloin are relatively low in fat and calories, making them comparable to chicken breast in many ways. On the other hand, processed pork products such as sausages and cured meats may contain higher levels of sodium and preservatives. Understanding this distinction is key to making informed dietary choices. Compared to beef, pork generally contains less iron but more thiamine. Compared to chicken, pork often provides a richer flavor and slightly higher fat content, depending on the cut. These differences make pork a middle ground protein that can suit a wide range of dietary preferences and cooking styles. Cooking pork has evolved significantly over time. In the past, pork was often cooked until very well done due to concerns about food safety. Modern farming practices and food safety standards have changed this approach. Today, pork can be cooked to a safe internal temperature while still remaining juicy and tender. Proper cooking techniques unlock the full potential of pork without compromising safety. Culinary traditions around the world highlight pork's adaptability. In East Asia, pork is often stir-fried, braised, or roasted with sauces that emphasize umami flavors. In Europe, pork appears in sausages, roasts, and cured products that reflect centuries of preservation techniques. In the Americas, pork plays a central role in barbecue culture, where slow cooking transforms tough cuts into tender, flavorful dishes. Cultural attitudes toward pork vary widely. In some cultures, pork is a daily staple, deeply integrated into traditional meals and celebrations. In others, it is avoided for religious or ethical reasons. These differences demonstrate how food choices are shaped not only by nutrition but also by belief systems, history, and identity. From a sustainability perspective, pork production is relatively efficient compared to some other meats. Pigs convert feed into meat effectively and require less land than cattle. However, like all animal agriculture, responsible farming practices are essential to minimize environmental impact. Increasing consumer awareness has led to growing interest in ethically raised and responsibly sourced pork. Another important aspect of pork is its role in processed foods. Bacon, ham, and sausages are some of the most recognizable pork products worldwide. While these foods are popular for their taste and convenience, moderation is key due to their higher salt and fat content. Understanding the difference between fresh pork and processed pork helps consumers maintain a healthier relationship with this meat. Pork also plays a role in modern dietary trends. It fits well into high-protein diets, low-carbohydrate lifestyles, and traditional whole food eating patterns. Lean pork cuts are increasingly recommended as part of balanced meal plans, especially when paired with vegetables and whole grains. One of pork's greatest strengths is its ability to take on flavor. Marinades, rubs, spices, and sauces all interact well with pork's natural taste. This makes it an ideal meat for experimentation and creativity in the kitchen. Whether grilled, roasted, braised, or pan-seared, pork adapts easily to different cooking environments. Despite its widespread use, pork is often taken for granted. Many people consume it without fully understanding its nutritional value or cultural significance. By learning more about pork, consumers can make more intentional choices and appreciate the complexity behind this everyday food. In conclusion, pork is a versatile, nutrient-rich, and globally important meat that deserves thoughtful consideration rather than oversimplified judgment. Its wide range of cuts, flavors, and culinary applications make it one of the most adaptable proteins available. When sourced responsibly and prepared with care, pork can be a valuable and enjoyable part of a balanced diet. Understanding pork is not just about food, but about history, culture, and informed eating choices.